Okay. Yep. Oi! Cut that out. Is that part snow too, Kent?
Must be, mate.
Hey, look at this, hey?
Careful, look out of face, doesn't it?
This is it. I think you might be surfing today.
I would be.
Geez, you have to be careful on the road here, wouldn't you?
Oh, no, yeah.
Is it slippery? Or might get an accident.
It's unreal, eh?
That's unreal, man. Oh, you don't mind being in the video?
Not at all.
Oh, yeah. So does the car feel like it's sliding when you're on the road?
No. Actually, now it's buttoned off, I might go back and have another look.
I'll just get this bus and then that'll be enough for now. Looks like an evening, doesn't it? The bus can take this corner.